How to change the language settings in Gemini AI on Android. This tutorial shows you how to add a secondary language or switch the primary language of the app entirely. First, open the Gemini app on your Android device. From there, tap the menu icon at the top left of the screen to open the sidebar. After that, tap your profile at the bottom of the sidebar. At this point, tap Settings, then tap Languages. Following this, you'll see your current primary language set at the top. This is the main language the app operates in. From here, tap Add another language if you want to add a second language. Keep in mind that the second language you add will be used for speech only, so Gemini will be able to understand you when you speak in that language, but the app interface will stay in your primary language. After that, browse through the list and select the language you want to add. At this stage, if you want to change the primary language of the app entirely, tap the first default language at the top and select a different one from the list. This will switch the whole Gemini interface over to that language. Finally, once your changes are saved, Gemini will operate in your updated language settings going forward. That's how you change the language settings in Gemini AI on Android. If this was useful, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.